how's it going, and welcome back. So you may notice that I got this same shirt on as a video that's coming after this. Well, that's right, because I filmed 2 videos today in one. But anywho, we're gonna change out that toe arm that was still stock when I did the Godspeed rear cambers. So I got that in, and we're gonna get to replacing that on both sides, and that'll be today's video. So when I originally bought the other arms, the other 2 out of these 3, these were out of stock. I don't know what's so special about these ones, but they didn't have it. So now that they do, let's get to replacing them. So this job should be fairly easy. Should be 1, 2, 3. So while I get down here to do that, I'm only changing it out, and I'm gonna send it back and try to hopefully match up stock with stock. I don't plan on running a lot of camber yet, but a lot of camber will be coming soon though. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned for the reason why the camber is gonna be coming. One thing that I do like is the red in here. It's not too bad of a color. And you know, it matches those other reds and how this is black. Basically what I'm getting around to is that I like the different variety of these colors, which is why my front spindles that I bought, I'm gonna paint purple. So everything can be different colors. I might even get in here and change out some colors of other things just so I can have different colors. I know a lot of people like to paint their brakes, but I'm actually gonna try to do this legit, a different color paint. You know, some exotic color, maybe the sway bar right here, paint that some exotic color. Just get around to doing it and painting it different things. So while I was working on this car, look what I noticed. This bolt came off. I don't even know how long that bolt was off of there, but that's crazy. Hopefully on the stock ones and the stock arms that I have still here, there should be a bolt in there. And I'm just gonna put it on there, and I'm gonna go to the other side and check all my bolts, make sure they're all still on, because I wonder what would happen if that would fall. I think that would kind of end badly. So it's finished. Wasn't too hard to put back on. Only thing you do have to look at is around here. Trying to, unless you want to take this off, which I'll put my bolts on there. But if you want to take this off, then the toe arm will slide in there easily. But if not, you have to put this side in first, slide it back there, and like maybe tuck it up, and then bringing it over this rod, and you should be able to put it in there, and then do that side. So do this side first, that side second, and you should be able to keep this on without taking it off. So you know there's always one side that's better than the other. Well, you know what? This sounds actually a lot better. It's just I'm in this tight ass space over here. But this one came off pretty easily. Not too bad, not too shabby. Only thing is, there was nothing hooked up to this, which I wonder if this is for a height sensor, because some of these came with like stock air suspension. I don't know, maybe you guys know and comment down below and tell me what that's for, because I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install this one right there and show you guys the finished results. Sweet. Okay, so from down here, this would look like installed. It's the cleanest one out of all 3, of course. But yeah, it's all done, all tidied up. Ready to put the wheel back on and roll this baby on out of here. Just in case you guys haven't seen the fitment on my Lexus, here's the rear. Not too bad, just a little tucking in, not too bad. I can't really see, so bright. And in the front, not too bad either. Just a little hairline of a tuck. But overall, what do you guys think of the car? You guys like it? You guys don't like it? Hate it? So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up. Be ready for the one that's coming up next, because these right here is for the next reveal. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And like I said again, give it a thumbs up. My name is Levon, and I'm out here.